Never stop if you wanna be on top, bitch.
Low waist, fat ass bitch, tap in. Tap, tap, tap in.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Tyler, and today, as you can see from that title down below, your girl's gonna be teaching you exactly how I was able to accomplish this look. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, as well as like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's YouTube channel. And you know what? Let's just get into it.
Hey guys, so the wig that I have for you guys today is from VSHOWHAIR, so a big shout out to them. This wig is the Peruvian waterwave in 22 inches, and honestly, I'm just in love with the packaging, and as well, I'm in love with everything that came with the hair. So inside the hair, they provided everybody with like the 4 combs that you can just stick onto your natural hair, and it's very beneficial. So definitely, I really suggest you guys to definitely go try this hair out because it is honestly perfect for me. Bro, I don't think you guys understand. Like, first of all, I'm in love with the curl pattern. That's one. Number 2 is this hair is mad soft. Number 3, like, I like this part. Like, first, I didn't like the frizzy hair, but like now I'm like, okay, you know what? This would look cute with like a messy bun. But you know what? I'm about to like really bleach the knots really soon. Like, get some baby hairs. Like, hey, okay. So here I'm just making myself a middle part, and I'm plucking to make sure that it's a good line for the middle part, and as well as I'm starting to pluck out to make sure that I have a nice and thin hairline. Okay, so this is how much hair that I plucked out, because I don't really like thick hairlines, so this is how much I took out. But after I combed all of that out, there is like barely any shedding on this hair. Finally, when I say that this hair is so freaking soft, bro, this hair is like dangerously soft. It's like, how can something be this soft? Like, VSHOWHAIR, y'all did it. Y'all did it. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna be using a 40 developer. I hope you guys can see that. This is from L'Oreal, and then I have the Clairol Professionals Kalita colors in violet, and the reason I do violet is so that it can, the bleach can tone the hair as well as bleach it, and then your regular schmegular brush and bowl. So this here, the plastic, the aluminum foil here, I'm gonna use that to basically help the hair to heat up a little bit faster, and because I use this a lot on one of my other hair, I already have a little bit left, so let's see what we can do with this. Alright, so this is what we're working with today. I'm a little bit scared because like this isn't enough, but we're gonna make it enough, if you know what I mean. And I can't mess this up and make this too liquidy, because if I do, then your girl is going to have bad hair. So I'm gonna take my time, and bleaching the knots is not like my favorite part, because like I get so freaking scared. I'm like, okay, is this a good pace? Is this not? So hopefully while doing this, this looks like this is gonna be enough. Whoa, see how fast? That's what I'm saying, like, see how fast this got pasty? Like, I think this is enough. I low-key think this is enough. Yeah, this looks like it's enough. This looks perfect, actually. It's my first time. Whoa. First I'm getting it on the first try. Look at that. Or should we get it like a little? How about we do one more? All right, let's do one more drop. Let's be a little extra today. Okay, let's not be too extra. Let's do a little dot, like literally a dot. I'm like shaking. Oh, that was way too much. You know what? This would just turn out nicely. Oh, come on. Okay, I think this is a little better. Yeah, y'all probably looking like, girl, you gonna bleach the whole freaking frontal with just this? Sure will. And I sure am. Sure am. Alright, this looks like enough, and this looks okay, right? Hopefully, like, none of these like hairstyles be like, girl, no. Yeah, I think this is okay. So this is how we have it, okay? So you don't want it too runny, you don't want it too thick, right? This is just, I think this is perfect. This is perfect. So we're just gonna do it with this. All right, y'all, so don't mind my little pajamas. Like, I was a little too excited once I got this hair, so I didn't really feel like
getting dressed up. But you know what? Let's try this. So what I done on my wig stand is I put plastic down because like I don't want to ruin the freaking wig head, and I turned the wig inside out and kind of pinned it down so that it's easier for me to see the knots. All right, so let's just begin this bad boy, okay? I'm a little nervous, but it's all right. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna start from the front because I mentally feel like that's where it's a little better. So we're not gonna go too heavy. Like we're not gonna press down so that like it's in the hair and then it'll bleach the actual hair. We're just gonna pat it on really softly. So it looks like I'm putting weight on it, but like I'm really not. But yeah, we're just gonna do this. Right? And like I said, do not pack this on your head because then it's gonna bleach straight through. And hold on, excuse me. But yeah, you guys don't want it to bleach. Bro, of course this happens to me. Of course this happens to me. And I'm about to pick that right up. I said I picked that right up. Cause listen, we ain't got time to be wasting this bleach. As you can see, we have barely anything here. So yeah. What I did was I took some aluminum foil and I put it on top of the wig cap above the saran wrap as well. And you guys can kind of really already see it turning. Yeah, I don't even think I'm gonna let this sit for longer than like 5 minutes because like I'm really scared of over bleaching. But this is how it's looking right now. You guys can see the color already lifting from the foil, and the foil is just there to really make it go a little faster. But yeah, I'm gonna let this sit for a few minutes, and even if like, I hope I don't over bleach, but say even if I do over bleach, there's always easier ways for me to make it look better. And yeah, we're just gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes. So I just wanna know, like I didn't even give it 5 minutes yet, but just so you guys know, like a lot of YouTubers and people really don't tell you what you're looking for when you're bleaching your knots. But let me show you guys something. I'm gonna kind of go in a little deeper. If you guys can see those black dots among, hold on, do I have a pointer? I don't. Okay, if you guys can see those black dots inside the lace, you want to get rid of that so that it's a bit more natural looking whenever you wear your wig. You know what I mean? So like right here, hold on, let's focus, get it together. Right here, you can see a lot of the black dots inside the lace, and we really don't want that. So you see how right here in the front is giving like that brownish almost look. That's gonna make it blend more better into your actual lace and look more like it's your scalp. So you don't want those black beaded looks on it, okay guys? You guys might be wondering why I used the purple shampoo to wash my hair, even though this is not a 613 wig. I did this because this will also help to tone the hair after it's been bleached. Okay, y'all, so this is how it's looking. Like, I mean, you guys can see how like I kind of a little bit over bleached in the front, but you know what? Nothing a little makeup can't fix, okay? This is my middle part, it's just like a side part because of the way I put the head back on the stand. But first of all, let's get into the quick curls, okay? But no, I love this hair, like it is perfect.
So like the goal of bleaching is to really get a lot of the black knots up. Sometimes it happens where not all the knots actually go away, but trust me, it is much better. This is way better than having the black beads. Guys, so we are almost done here, okay? So right now I'm just sectioning off my hair, and I'm gonna brush it out and kind of spray it down with some water to make sure that it's evenly saturated. And the products that I'm gonna use is the Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner, as well as the Eco Styler Gel, and let's say it's the flavor coconut. And I'm just gonna comb my hands through the hair to make sure that the products are evenly spread out throughout the whole head. And finally, I'm just gonna do this throughout my whole entire head, so just keep watching. So let me put you guys on really quick here, okay? So the Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner, it smells like heaven. Like, please go and buy it because it honestly really smells like heaven. Like, I'm in love with it. But the funny thing about it is that I'm actually allergic to one of the ingredients inside of Cantu. But you know what? It's okay. It's not really touching my exact head. You know what I mean? Like, it's not on my exact hair, so it's not seeping into my scalp. So, you know, the coast is clear. We're all good. But you guys should definitely buy it, or even just go smell it. It smells so good. You're welcome.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I enjoyed doing it. If you guys watch this video all the way down to the end, the emoji of the day that I want you guys to leave in the comment section is going to be the green heart. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notifications bell. And you know, I'll catch you later, baby.